Look at that. BGM girl hair. BGM girl hair. BGM girl hair. I told you. What's going on, cousins? What's going on? It's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a slate today. Coming to you with a slate today. We love a good ocean wave. Well, we about to do it in wig form, okay? Ocean wave. I think I know what's about to happen.
I don't be knowing all the time.
I really want this to work. This is from BGM Girl Hair. Now, you know I love their kinky straight hair. This is something different, y'all. So it's an M cap, which is good. Ear cut out for those people who wear glasses. It's supposed to be pre-plucked, pre-bleached, all the things. M caps are like that, okay? This is an ocean wave, 26 inches, okay? 250% density. Oh, yes, honey. 9x6. And high definition lace. Okay, let's just look at it. So I have a bag with some goodies. We have the Edge Whisperer right here, y'all. Honey, sometimes these things will take out your whole thoughts and dreams along with your edges. You have to make sure that it's nice and soft. This one's cool. It's not too rough. It's right on the line, though. It's right on the line. It's directly on the line. All right? Y'all get me? Okay. Bam. When you want to milk that milk band, swap. You feel me? Cute lashes. We got the wig cap featuring Young Karen. And we have the new HD cap for ball cap. Like if you want to do the ball cap. And we have the bonnet. Ooh. Okay, y'all. Come on. You want my face so bad. There it is. Ocean wave. 26 inches. Look at that. Through the bag. That's that through the bag lace. It's so nice you can see it through the bag. They put an extra elastic band in here. Bam. Ooh, this is different. I thought this was going to be like wand curl. Oh, look at this. I didn't take the net off yet. Look, y'all. Ooh, this is feeling like a straight wig. Because I was wondering what the underlying texture would be. Ooh. Ooh. That is nice, honey. Oh, they did that. Because, you know, some companies will pluck just enough to get you started and say, ship it. Nice bleach knots, but not overly bleached, because sometimes overly bleached can mean, you know, thinning frontals. The lace is pre-cut. The knots are pre-bleached, honey. The hair is pre-curled, pre-styled, pre-parted. Now, if you want your part off to the side with pride, you're going to have to re-part it, huh? Turn to your neighbor and say, re-part. Sometimes you got to do that. People don't know that. Sometimes you got to. This is so pretty. Let me just toss it on to see real quick. Now, you know with pre-cut lace, you can always cut more of the lace off.
You know that, don't you?
They can cut it, but they can't cut it but so short, because some people like a lot of lace left on theirs. But if you want a little less lace, just go ahead and trim a little bit more off. Because they can't appease everybody. Y'all already know what time it is, honey. I stopped trying to do that years ago. Yes. You can't appease everybody, honey. You about to get a whole word in this video. Didn't even know. Okay, see? These are the ear cutouts that I was talking about. You see that? The C-shaped cutouts. You have removable combs. You see these combs in here in this cap? You can remove them because everybody does not like combs in their wigs. And then you have this right here. You have this elastic band with the silicone strips that'll hold on to the back of that neck like a good relationship. But you have to adjust it now. And you can remove this elastic band too. Some wigs, they give you the elastic band, but it's on there. You can't remove it unless you cut it off. So they are giving you the option to remove this if you want to. But if you're going to wear it glueless, I would keep that on there because it's going to hold, especially if you're going to shout. I'll take out these side combs because I'm going to use the back comb. I'm going to slide the back comb right up underneath this wig cap. So it's no hair for the comb to... It's just going to keep gliding, honey. It's nothing to hold on to. You see this? The only thing that a comb can hold on to back here is God's unchanging hand. That's it. So I use this back comb to hold my wigs in place in the back. You see that? Bam. You can take these off if you want to. Now I'm going to just take the side two off. Even with this beautiful HD lace, and it's nice and thin, but we still going to tint the lace, okay? Okay. Okay. We understand? Okay. You get what I'm... Okay. Oh yeah, that's good and snug. Ooh. I used to not be able to use those elastic bands. Y'all remember when I had that birth control? It was giving me migraines, so I couldn't do it. Y'all, wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. You just wait 1 minute. Hold a second. Baby, if you mess around and melt this, if it looks good like this, glueless, honey, you mess around and melt this, yeah. Where's my other clip? Hold a minute now. You just hold 1 minute. These curls are beautiful. Hold 1 second. Now, see, I like to take this deep, dark bronzer from Juvia's Place. Swap, 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 swap. Okay? That's how I do that. Baby, I'm melting this. It's a choice, because I'm doing some more videos today. Yeah. BGM girl hair. I'm not fooling with y'all. Listen, it goes beyond the kinky straight, baby. They're growing. Ooh. I guess all I have to do is style it. Yeah, we just about to style it, apparently. Because, y'all, I do not know what I did with my pomade stick. Oh my goodness. I don't know what I did with it. And whatever I did with it, I guarantee you I was thinking to myself at the time, you're going to be looking for this. And you're going to wonder what you did with it. I do things like that all the time. Like, I know what's going to happen, but I'll still do it. And here we are. Ooh, you know what I'm going to spray this with? Body and hair perfume mist. I love Lady in Red. This is my favorite. It smells so good. This is my second hair fragrance. This is a silkening mist. I know you guys have seen me use this before. So it's going to give you a beautiful fragrance. This is about to mix with Lady in Red. Oh my goodness. But it also gives you a shine. The Lady in Red, there's no silkening factor. But there is the wonderful smell. This gives you that. You see that? You see the silkening?
Do you understand the silkening?
I like to have silkening on my roots. Baby, I want to melt this. I get excited. When lace looks like this glueless, I immediately want to I want to melt it so bad. Let me just see, y'all. Honey, this is nice. Now, this is 250% density. The curled part, yes. But up here, and it's because this is straight. I'm not a big fan of straight hair. Unless it's like a kinky straight. Some sort of texture. It's beautiful, but because this is so straight, this is not giving me 250. You feel me? This down here maybe, but this up here is not. But these curls are absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna unbrush it. Y'all, if y'all have not gotten this unbrush, this right here is this is a gem. This unbrush is a gem when it comes to detangling. Woo! Yes, even 4C hair. Yes, I have seen it. Y'all can go on other natural influencers and see that who have reviewed this unbrush. You don't have to take my word for it, baby. Because I know somebody out there going to be like,
Girl, you don't even have 4C hair. You can't say.
my daughter has 4C hair. Beautiful, lovely, thick, healthy 4C hair. And guess who does her hair? Me. Look how it's doing. Oh, this ocean wave is nice. Beautiful. Y'all, I feel like I want a side part. I feel like I want a side part. Look how pretty that is. I do feel like I want... Honey, what is that golden piece in there? You can color these because this is human hair. Y'all, I am so late. The frontal queen, when I tell you this edge control right here holds on to my swoops and my dupes so well. Baby, the next day I be doing like this. You know how they doing those ads? I catch myself in the mirror doing that light. It ain't even move. Now, when I find a good edge control, I have to tell y'all about it. Try it out. That's all I can say. Because, you know, the edge control works differently for different folks. So, I have learned that all I can do is show you what it does for me. And then, you try it out and you see. It's already done. It's already styled. I literally just put this on my... Look. Y'all see? I can go to Costco's right now. Woo! What you think? Middle part or side part? BGM girl hair, this is cute. Where I put my comb? Oh. Now you can go off to the side, but you can't do it with all the pride, okay? You can come off to the side a little bit though. We can go off I may have to put some heat to it because it's already formed. And I don't have my wax stick. The wax stick will take care of that. All you gotta do is But because I cannot find it, and I knew this was going to happen, why do I do things like this? You see this hump right here? Sometimes you got to get it together through any weapon. Yeah, see up here, this is not 250 up here as far as the density goes. This is regular right here. The 250 is at the bottom with the curls. Look, ooh, that's pretty. If you like a relaxed wave set, this will be perfect for you because it's not textured. It's not like yucky or kinky straight. It's not all the way silky straight. I'm trying to do it with no part, just that flip over sort of thing. I'm going to spot melt, which means you just melt in a certain spot. I'm just going to melt right here. Okay, I'm going to lift this up. Woo! Honey, that's cold. Dry, 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 dry. One more time. Ooh! Uh-oh. Okay, so I went over here a little bit. Y'all love this. Get your hands on it. Bottoms up, bottoms up. Get your hands on these. Get your hands on these. Get your hands on these. Now I'm gonna just swap it down. And I'm not gonna put my I'm not gonna put my fingertips on it. That will cause a whole different problem that we have to fix. And I'm putting my fingertips right on it as I said that, girl. Ooh, honey, y'all just pray for me. Just pray for me, that's all. Look how that just melted right in there. Look at that. Makes me want to melt the other side, and I don't even need the other side to be melted. I guess if I just want to do like this to the other side with pride, then I can do that. Let's just do it. That was quick. Let's swap it over here now. So this is a whole melt, not a spot melt. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. I said, thank you, Jesus. Hold that up there for me. So how your mama now? Okay, okay, okay. Whew. Honey, that cold blast will get ya. Ooh. Okay, let's pull this down. Let's pull this down. And we good to go. Uh-oh. Don't get ignorant now. Y'all look at that. BGM. And y'all do everybody's wigs like this too. I want everybody to have wigs like this. Y'all doing well. Because I want folk to come back and comment on how amazing their wig is. Huh? I want y'all to come back and comment on how amazing the wig is. Let's go ahead and use that ear swoop back there, right there. Huh? Y'all, I have a meeting at 2 o'clock. Okay, okay. Now, to make it even more sturdy. Now, this is not a 360, y'all. So don't think you're going to get the same kind of look in the back. We just worried about the front. Because the back is going to be down. Like Brandy once prophesied. The back just wants to be down, baby. It wants to be down with you. Now, let me comb this part out of here. See, this is where the heat or the pomade stick comes into place. Because this part is going to part. It's going to make the hair is already formulated to that part. So we got to get that part up out of there. Let's swoop it this way. Then swoop it this way. Oh, let's swoop it this way. Then swoop it this way. Let's swoop it all the ways. All the ways. All the ways. All the ways. Well, it's still in there. I need to put some heat to it. Hold a minute, y'all. Literally, the only reason I'm not showing this is because I'm just about to get my hot comb and just, you know. Okay. So I just put some heat to the front of it. I pulled this down a little bit because it was up like that. So I just pulled it down so I could see where the hair. Look how good that looks, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. BGM girl hair. BGM girl hair. BGM girl hair. BGM girl hair. Ooh, 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 ooh. I told you. When it looks like super good glueless, you already know. When you melt it, if you choose to, baby. Honey, y'all. So, I like it. I really like this. This is so cute. Y'all, I'm going to just get some footage. Oh, I'm going to just grab some footage. I'm going to just grab some footage real quick. This is so soft. I'ma just style it, y'all, but this is beautiful. Big up to BGM Girl Hair. Hit that subscribe button so you can join the family, join the fun. You want to join the channel members, be a part of the K team? Hit that join button. Let me get some footage real quick, y'all.
Never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much I'm missing. Feelings in my heart, yeah, that's impressive, how much I'm missing. Feelings in my heart, how much you're messing with me. 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 How much you're messing with me.